welcome back to Medford Elementary. This is a first grade class playing beanbag pyramid toss. This is the first day trying this new activity. I have 6 buckets on each side. I split the class into 2 separate teams. The orange team here tries to run or skip or gallop whatever locomotor movement I give them all the way down to the other side. And their goal is to grab a beanbag that's on the ground, bring it back to their side, and from behind the little cones, they're going to underhand toss, transferring their weight from the back foot to their front foot and trying to make it in the buckets. The first row of buckets is worth 1 point, the second row of buckets is worth 2 points, and the last one is worth 3 points. At the end, or when I stop the music, we'll count and see how many points each team has by counting by 3s, 2s, and 1s, which integrates math. It's a great activity for locomotor movement and obviously underhand throwing, cooperation, and teamwork. Again, this is beanbag pyramid toss.